Whoop. The whole thing fell out.
Yes.
Ultra HD. Okay, we continue installing this 4K player. We have here is the HDMI cable now.
Yes.
Plugged in right. Okay, here's the unit. It's now installed. We had the 3 cables we put through the back and hooked it up to the TV and the sound bar. Okay, today we do an unboxing of the Samsung Ultra HD Blu-ray player. It's a 4K UHD player. Since a lot of the new movies today are 4K, my TV 65-inch Samsung is a 4K, so it's time to get this. Retails for $299. Got it for like half that on Black Friday. So it's got true 4K playback, HDR, wider and detailed color spectrum, smart hub, 1 remote. There's the model number, UBD M8500, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc, DVD, CD playback available. Blank. Okay. Made in Indonesia. Hadn't heard that one before. Whoop. The whole thing fell out.
Yes.
Ultra HD. It's very thin. And it's curved in the front.
Yeah. It's a curve. Look at that.
Ultra HD, which is 4K. Comes with this bag. Open her up. Comes with a remote. With your power cord. And 2 batteries for the remote. HDMI cable looks like it's separate. I've got a bunch of those. And here's the manual. That's it for the box. The manual. Quick start information. How to hook it up. User manual. I'll save the information. Let's see what this looks like. Looks like the TV remote.
Yeah.
Since it is a Samsung. A little different. It's got a few more functions. Fast forward. Pause. Let's see what we got here. Here's the tray that pops out right here. Here's your power connection. Optical, digital out. Local area network, LAN. That's pretty much it. HDMI is what we'll be using. HDMI out. I don't think we'll be using this. Digital audio out. Could use that. With a sound bar.
Yeah. There's the power cord.
Power cord. Plugs in right here. There we go. HDMI cable, hook it into the TV. Pretty simple. So we got the player. I guess Ultra HD is 4K. It's got plastic on it. The whole thing's got plastic. That's what makes it look like that.
A plastic look like a wood
Yeah.
color. No, it's okay that
Well, it was covering this. So. Nice.
Yeah.
Don't know what this is.
USB. Is that?
Looks like it. I can't read it. Looks like a USB connection for the front. Okay. Well, next up, we'll hook it up to the TV. Got an extra HDMI slot on the TV, and it's a smart TV, Samsung, so it should recognize it right away. And then we'll try a video. I got some 4K video.
Yeah.
Here it is, the Samsung Ultra HD Blu-ray player.
Here's the everything
You got the unit,
inside the box.
power cord, comes with the remote, batteries for the remote, user's manual, and some other instructions on this one page.
Yeah.
That's what you get out of the box. They don't give you HDMI cables. I don't know why. They're not that expensive.
Yeah.
Got this at Best Buy.
On Black Friday.
Yep. Or online Best Buy too. Wasn't in the store. It was online. They had a good price.
Okay, let's go.
Let's hook her up. Okay, here's the battery install. Bexel.
Yeah.
Never heard of it. It's nice they give you batteries though.
Yeah.
There you go. Pretty simple. Batteries are in, makes it heavier. There it is. It looks like something lights up there. We'll try it downstairs.
Let's go now.
Okay, we continue installing this 4K player. We have here is HDMI cable now,
There is.
plugged in right here. We have a digital optical. We plug into the sound bar.
Yep, there. Optical and here.
That's HDMI.
Yeah.
HDMI on both sides, optical on both sides, and then the power cord. So there's three things. This is optional, you don't need this.
Power cord.
HDMI provides the sound, unless you want to go to the sound bar. Go over there.
Okay, have this here.
We have a PlayStation 4, and we have a DirecTV box. This will go right underneath. We might lower the shelf. We can do
Yep.
that too.
We lower first
And
the
then there's a
shelf.
hole in the back of the cabinet. Put all these through, plug everything in.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll change the shelf and get back to you.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the unit. It's now installed. We had the three cables we put through the back and hooked it up to the TV and the sound bar.
Okay, and that's it, guys. For DVD player. Okay, bye-bye for now.